In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for Halloween. If you're creating party invitations, spooky social media posts, or printable Halloween decorations, Canva makes the whole process much easier. You do not need advanced design experience to put together something that looks polished, atmospheric, and fun. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your design, choose a dark Halloween background, add themed graphics, style your text so it stands out clearly, organize your layers, and then export your final project in the right format. First, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, look to the top right area and click Create a Design. From there, choose the format that best fits your project. For example, you might pick a flyer size for invitations or a portrait Instagram post for social media. Choosing the correct format at the beginning helps everything stay properly sized later. Once your blank canvas opens, the next thing to do is set the mood with a darker background. Click on the canvas so it's selected, then go up to the top toolbar and choose the background color option. From there, you can enter a custom hex color if you want something specific. A charcoal gray, a deep purple, or even a strong pumpkin orange can instantly give your design a more Halloween-inspired feel. Starting with a dark base also helps your decorative elements and text pop more effectively. After that, head over to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar, type in Halloween-themed terms such as vintage Halloween illustration, gothic borders, mystical smoke cutout, or watercolor ghost vector. Browse through the results and drag your favorite elements directly onto the canvas. This is a great way to build visual interest without overcrowding the design. Try to keep the look consistent so the final result feels intentional rather than random. Next, let's add your headline. Click text in the left panel, then choose Add a text box. Type your main message, whether that's an event title, promotional line, or spooky announcement. Then use the top toolbar to change the font. Styles like Jeju Halasan or Sinzel work especially well for Halloween designs because they feel dramatic and readable. To make the text stand out on a dark background, click Effects and apply the neon effect. Adjust the intensity until the glow looks eye-catching but still clean. If your graphics begin to overlap in awkward ways, you can fix that by adjusting layers. Right-click on an element, go to Layer and choose Show Layers, or use the Position option and open the Layers tab. Then drag your text layer to the top so it stays visible in the foreground. Before exporting, do a quick final check. Move things slightly and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything is centered and balanced. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for digital use or PDF print for high-quality printed materials. Then click Download and save your finished Halloween design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.